In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew a listing on Facebook Marketplace. If you have an item posted on Facebook Marketplace and you want to make it more visible again, renewing the listing is a simple way to do that. This can be especially helpful if your item has been live for a while and you want to bring fresh attention to it without creating a brand new post from scratch. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can do it quickly and confidently. To begin, open your web browser and go to Facebook. Once the page loads, log into your account if you aren't already signed in. Make sure you're using the account that originally created the marketplace listing, since your listings are tied directly to that profile. After you're logged in, look to the left-hand menu on the Facebook homepage and click Marketplace. This will take you into the Marketplace section, where you can browse, buy, sell, and manage your active items. Once you're in Marketplace, find and click your profile icon. This area gives you access to your selling activity and account-related marketplace options. From there, select your listings. This is where Facebook stores the items you currently have posted, along with any listings that may need updates or attention. Now take a moment to locate the listing you want to renew. If you have several items posted, it may help to look carefully at the title or item photo so you choose the correct one. Renewing the right listing is important, especially if you're managing multiple products at the same time. When you found the listing, click Renew Listing. Facebook may ask you to confirm your choice, so go ahead and confirm it. Once that's done, your listing will be refreshed in Marketplace, which can help improve visibility and give new shoppers a better chance of seeing it. If you don't see the Renew Listing option right away, keep in mind that Facebook only shows this button when a listing is eligible to be renewed. In that case, you may need to wait until the option becomes available, and that's all it takes to renew a listing on Facebook Marketplace. It's a quick process, and it can be a useful way to keep your item active and in front of more potential buyers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.